Today I'm gonna be going over what I own and use in my home office and somewhat, YouTube studio. So I wanted to break up this video into a couple different sections to talk about different areas of the room which I focused on. I feel like natural light is one of the most overlooked areas of a office setup. A lot of people don't like natural light and some people love it. I just feel a lot more energized when I have natural light. This is one of the reasons that I decided to turn the master bedroom into my studio office. It offered these nice 3 large windows that were south facing. I feel like another really important overlooked area of a desk in a home office area is lights. Lighting can change the mood and environment of a room, and that's why I tried to focus on a few ambient lights and then some constant video lights as well. So one of the things that I did recently was install a Godox SL60W in the corner of my room right behind me here, and that is right next to the window, so it kind of mimics natural sunlight coming in through the window. It makes me feel like there's more daylight coming in on these cloudy winter days here in Canada. For my other light, I have an Aperture 300D on a C-stand with a nice big softbox to light me. This is my favorite thing ever, but I like to have one light on a C-stand with a softbox so that I could just hop in and film something really quickly. So the meat and potatoes of the video is the desk, obviously. So the desk itself is sitting on Vivo dual motor electric standing legs. I chose the white legs. This desk is really nice. It comes with built-in cable management. So under it, I've run all my cables and I have attached a power cord that everything plugs into. So there's only one plug hanging from the bottom of the desk that I could plug into an outlet. This desk does not come with a tabletop. So I went to IKEA and I bought a tabletop, a kitchen counter tabletop. It's called the Skogsa, and it's $370. So this was a splurge. The chair that I'm using is the Staple Hiking chair. I have 2 different reviews on it. I will leave a card annotation and a link below just so that you could watch it. This chair is, in my opinion, the best value chair that you could buy. Sitting on the desk, I have a MacBook. This is the 2019 MacBook Pro 16-inch with the i9. At the time, it was fully spec'd out and it cost me like $4,500 Canadian. Now I could barely get any money for it since they came out with the new M1 chips, so that's great. The MacBook's sitting on a 12 South stand. This is nothing fancy. I bought it from Apple. It was a little overpriced. It's nice though. It's nice in matte black. So the monitor is probably the piece of the setup that I dislike the most, but this is the Samsung 27-inch. It's a 4K monitor. I think I paid $350 for it back in the day. I have the Logitech Craft keyboard, which I'm not even sure if they make anymore. It's basically the MX keys with this knob, and it was a ridiculous amount of money. I got it on sale for like half price, and that's the only reason I bought it. I would recommend buying the MX Keys Mini, the smaller one. And for the mouse, I'm using the MX Master 3. Yes, Logitech, Apple fanboy, I know, but it's just the best video editing mouse. I have an iPad, which I use a lot. It's on a Satechi stand. So I set this up and I have my to-do list from TickTick on there. I could set Pomodoro timers, which is really cool, little 25-minute blocks of time. So 2 other things that are always on my desk are my Moleskine notebook, and then I also have a 5-minute journal. They just renamed it to the Gratitude Journal. And lastly, I have a pair of Alex IKEA drawers, which I keep on the side. I originally wanted to put these under the desk legs, but I extended the desk legs too far. This was to increase stability. The only positive of this is that they give me a nice little area to put things. So the acoustics in this room aren't amazing. Because of that, and I just like rugs, I got this rug. This is the JV Home Vintage Collection Distressed Rug. It was on Amazon. It was about $230. It's a great rug. I really like it. I recently received this bad boy. This is the Anthro desk, and I'm really excited about it because I've always wanted an extra standing desk that I could roll around, use for B-roll shots, put things on. I am going to do a review on it. It's not sponsored, they just sent me one, so I do appreciate that. I put it on casters, so it doesn't come with casters, but I put casters on the bottom so that I could roll it around. Again, budget option. This was $399 Canadian, so a lot cheaper than this desk. So my idea was to kind of keep everything in this corner somewhat set up, somewhat in place, so that if I want to make a YouTube video, it takes me like 10 minutes to just put a light on and there's already a C-stand set up. I found that's really beneficial for me in terms of the friction to create these YouTube videos. Now for storage, I have this little IKEA kind of shelf thing that I got a long time ago. I keep my cameras on top. desktop on a mouse pad, and then I have my Sonos on the right-hand side. I keep all my lenses up there so they're really quick to reach. And then under that, I have my charging station, which is just a mishmash of all the different chargers that I use. I have a utilitarian commercial storage unit that's in my closet. It's a complete mess, but it just keeps everything kind of out of sight, out of mind. If you're interested in the Vivo desk, I'm gonna leave a link to the video right here and you can watch that video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next one. Peace.